Hello and welcome back to Graf Woodshop. My name is Josh Graff, and today we are going to make some outdoor decorative pumpkins. These are great for decorating for fall, or maybe if you're wanting to sell something, make a little extra cash around fall time. These will sell great. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to take this one 2x6x10. We're going to take a few screws, some glue, slap it all together and make a pumpkin. So, let's go get after it. So the first thing is set a stop block on my miter saw to 16 inches because we are going to be needing 6 pieces that are all 16 inches long. These are going to make up the orange part of our pumpkin, and after I've gotten all 6 of those pieces cut, I'm then going to move my stop block to 18 inches and cut one piece that is 18 inches long. That is going to be the stem of our little pumpkin. After everything cut to length, I then went ahead and just marked where I wanted to dog ear a few of these boards, and then I measured over on one of them 1.5 inches both ways and connected the dots and used that to get my miter saw all set up so that each of these would have that same little angled cut on the end of them. Then I went ahead and sanded everything real quick with 150, paying close attention to where I dog-eared any pieces to get those edges nice and neat and smooth. My daughter was wanting to help out here, so I let her drill some of the pocket holes that we are going to be using to attach each of these joints. There's going to be 2 pocket holes going to each of the joints, as you'll see here in a second whenever I screw them all together. It's always fun having the girl in the shop and just getting to spend some time with her and show her a few things. So I'm going to be using some trees since these are going to be living outside, and some 2.5 inch pocket hole screws to put everything together. At each of these joints, I'm using just 2 screws to hold them together. To join each of the layers of this pumpkin together, I'm just going to be taking some Type Bond 3 and a couple of 2-inch long decking screws that I had laying around and putting it all together. Not overdoing things here, we're just making something decorative. We're not going for a bunch of structural support, just a nice little decoration. Throw a little glue down, put a couple screws, and get it all attached.
And now for my daughter's favorite part, which is the painting. She went to Lowe's with me and picked out the colors for this project. For the orange, we went with a roasted pumpkin by Valspar, and for the green, we went with an Ivy League. So these work really good together, makes it look great. And yeah, enjoy watching her paint for just a little bit.
Alright, so it's the next day and we are all finished up now. We ended up taking some blue painter's tape and putting it around the orange part before we painted the green stem, but everything is all finished out now. This is a really fun project. Got to work on it a little bit with my daughter and just have some fun. Down in the description below, I will be sure to put a materials list and also a link to any tools or supplies that I used in case you guys want to go check those out. And thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.